We turned up in the party going crazy. Turning up in the party going crazy. We turned up in the party going crazy. Got all my niggas feeling kinda hazy.
Trying to prop the camera up for y'all. Look at all this work I'm going through. Subscribe to my channel. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing another unboxing video. Well, I'll be doing another unboxing video for you guys. As you can see over here in the corner, we secured another pair, so yeah. So today I will be unboxing the Jordan 12's Utility Grind. I was able to get these shoes, as you can see, at Hibbett Sports. I know I said in the previous video, as you can see, we have the Jordan 4s up there. Check out the we was able to get this pair at Hibbett Sports. As you can see, I know I said in the previous video that I copped my previous pair of the Jordan 4 Lightnings, as you can see right there. Go check out that video. That's my previous video. It's a video of me unboxing those, so go check that out if you haven't checked that out already. But as I stated in my previous video, yeah, I didn't feel like trying to cop them from Foot Locker or something, because I never win the raffles and the bots always end up getting them, and I can't seem to cop, so I always have to just go to GOAT. I was like, let me get my pair and get them out the way. As I stated in my previous video on why I got those from GOAT, is because I knew it would be hectic trying to get those at Foot Locker, Finish Line, even Hibbett Sports, I don't know, Foot Action. It's just, yeah, it would be too hard trying to cop those anywhere else. I'm like, I'm just gonna get mine on GOAT and get them out the way. But I entered a raffle for the Jordan 12 Utility Grinds, and I was able to secure a pair. I was super excited. I entered the raffle maybe a week prior, I believe. I think they open it up so you can enter a week before it actually comes out. I entered the raffle on Hibbett Sports and Foot Locker. You have to download the Hibbett Sports app and the Foot Locker app. And I will advise you that I have not secured a pair on Foot Locker yet from the raffle, and I've been entering every release. I enter the raffle because any chance that I can get them at retail, I'd rather pay retail than resale prices. Yeah, but I entered the raffle. I downloaded, let me show you if you can see. I downloaded the Hibbett Sports app. Let's see. I entered the raffle on the Hibbett Sports app a week prior, and they notified me 2 days before release date that I had won the raffle. Actually, they notified me at 9 a.m. I was still asleep. So when I woke up around 10ish, I seen the notification on my phone, and you have to accept that you won a raffle, because if you don't hit the accept button, then they will give your pair to someone else. They have 2 raffle entries, one at 9 a.m. I believe, and another at 1 p.m. So you have 2 chances to secure a win. I would highly advise you to go download that app, because we need these shoes at retail prices. Like, I'm overpaying resale prices for these shoes. So I was very happy that I won this raffle, because I really wanted the Jordan 12 Utility Grinds really bad. 12s are one of my favorite pairs of the Jordans. Any 12 colorway is bomb to me. I like the style, everything. And this is a pair that really don't, 12s in my opinion don't crease as bad as some of the other numbers. So when I can get a 12, I need that 12. So back to the story on how I got these. They notified me in the app that I won. I accepted that I won and all that. And then I had to go on release day, which was yesterday actually. Saturday, August 21st, to pick up my pair. Hibbett opens at 10. I had until 12 o'clock to pick up my pair, and my pair would be forfeited. So, you know, I was trying to be the first person there. I wasn't the first person there, but I did get there around 10:36 to be exact. Yeah. So I got my pair. I just had to show proof that I won in the app. and I had to provide either a state ID, school ID, any type of ID that's verify that you are that person that won on the app. Show them that you won on the app, and it's just like that easy. You walk out the door with your shoes for a retail price. So yeah, I was super stoked that I was able to cop the shoes that way. After paying like over resale price for like 80% of my shoes, I was in dire need of securing these for a retail price. So yeah, I was supposed to do the video yesterday, but you know, things got a little out of control yesterday. So I was like, oh, I'm just gonna do it today. I'm trying to get this video out as soon as possible to you guys. Really wanted it to be uploaded on release day when the shoes came out, so I could just have it right in time. But the day after will have to work. After getting these shoes, a little backstory, I went to I got hungry, so I went to the Philly cheesesteak shop in the other little shopping center. And I come out to see somebody then sideswiped my car. Yeah, so it was like, I was over the whole video at that point. Like, the shoes was behind me, and I was like, yeah, it was basically a hit and run. I come out to a pregnant lady telling me, a nice pregnant lady telling me, fortunately, because I don't know. The lady it was a hit and run. She just drove up. So luckily she told me she got her license plate for me so I can handle that situation. But fast forward to today, let's open these shoes. I still have them in a bag. Still have them in a bag and everything. I was like, let me wait till I get on camera. So, you know, just the average box. And I have a 5. And the color is black, bright crimson. So yeah, let's open the box. Here, as you can see, the receipt. I told them to put my receipt in the box. Let's see if that'll focus. These were, the retail price was $140 and the tax was $13.65. So I ended up paying $153.65 for these pair of shoes I was able to purchase at Hibbett. So as I stated again, please download Hibbett if you haven't already and enter those raffles. They have a raffle going on now for the Jordan 4 Lightning. So I would advise you not to be like me and get them on go. Enter the raffle. So let's get into it and open these shoes. Yes, just look at the colorway on these babies. I love any Jordan shoe that's black because black can never get dirty. In like regards to white, that can easily mess up. So black shoes, 12s that are black have a soft spot in my heart. Like, yes, look at this, just the colorway and everything. And I love the bottom. Just check out the color on the bottom. Like, yes. And the little, like, the little details of red. It's giving me, it's kind of giving me an electric pink, but I'm pretty sure it's red. It's just giving me, like, it's giving me life right now. And the little backstory on these shoes. When it comes to its construction, the Air Jordan 12 Utility Grind perfectly blends the redeeming qualities of the model with some updated prefaces that fall in line with Nike's Inc.'s effort towards reducing a carbon footprint. Speaking on the former, this upcoming release sees genuine leather uppers on the quilted area, while a faux snakeskin texture returns to the midsole of the shoes. Adding to that premium effect is the suede mudguard and the signature metallic eyelets that have spelled the success of the 97 model for nearly 2.5 decades. The newer elements to this Air Jordan 12 is the use of the ballistic mesh on the tongue for a sportier, more lightweight approach. While Nike Grind, the recycled rubber, is used on the outsole. According to Jordan Brand, the outsoles of these shoes are made with at least 3% of Nike Grind. Doesn't seem like a whole lot, but enough to not only make use of waist while leaving the rubber traction uncompromised. The Air Jordan 12 Utility Grind officially releases on August 12th, 2021 in 4 family sizes. These will be available at Jordan retailers across the nation. So that's the little backstory on these shoes. And the recycle part that they're talking about is these on the bottom. The bottom right here. You can see, as you can see, like, it gives you like a recycle vibe. Like, so I seen somebody said that these shoes are literally made of trash. They might be made of trash, but this is some good trash right here. If we're dealing with trash, this is the type of trash I want to be dealing with. But yes, these are bomb. These came out yesterday, so I looked on Foot Locker and they were sold out in men's sizes. So if you're looking to get a pair, I would recommend going to Go. I don't think the resale prices were too high on these. I feel like these are being heavily overlooked because of the Jordan 4 Lightnings. Like, that's what the hype is about. But I wouldn't sleep on these either. I would not. If I can secure a pair, I would. I would most definitely secure the Jordan 12 Utility Grinds. Like, this is like, I would have to say this is my favorite shoe right now. I'm sorry, Lightnings, but this is my favorite shoe right now. Let me get the other pair out for y'all. Well, the other shoe, like I should say. And you know, all Jordans come with the Jordan sticker. Yeah, I leave mine in my boxes, or sometimes I see them on the floor and just throw them away. I'm sorry. I have entirely too many of these, and I don't know what to do with these. So if you let me know what you do with your Jordan stickers that when you receive them, because I don't know what to do with these. I eventually end up in the trash. So I'm sorry, but let's get into these shoes more. These are fire. I would definitely recommend these. On a scale out of 1 out of 10, I would give these a 10. I'm sorry, I know I'm always going with a 10, but these are most definitely a 10. What would you rate these? Please rate these in the comments and let me know, are you going to cop? Like, let me know y'all opinions on these. What do y'all think about these? Do you think that they are being overlooked because of the Jordan 4 Lightnings? Well, we all know that's why. Let me know what you think, and let me know if you think these are slept on, because I honestly really think these are slept on. I haven't heard much about these. But yeah, I really love these shoes in the colorway, and I already have me an outfit in transit to match with these. So I'll be uploading some pictures on my Instagram soon. It's AfroPuffJada. You can follow me there. All my socials is AfroPuffJada. So please follow me on those accounts so you can see how I style these, because these are bomb. I've been waiting to style these. I actually ordered my outfit before I even secured these. That's how anxious I was. I was like, I have to get these. But yeah, these are bomb. Let me show y'all the inside also. I have not tried these on yet, but I will give y'all some footage of me so y'all can see how these look on my feet. Inside is that bright red. Yes. But yeah, let me get some foot footage for y'all so y'all can get a better view of how these look on feet. So yeah, let's go. Okay, I'm back inside now after trying these on. You know, we gotta go outside and get that good lighting, because it's most definitely better lighting out there than it is in here. So after seeing like the total view of these, what would y'all rate these? Rate these in the comment and let me know what y'all are thinking. And unfortunately, that's it for today's video. So please leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already to see more content. And yeah, so please like, comment, share, subscribe, and let me know what you think about these in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we out.